yes, Dr. Phil, or hashtag no, Dr. Phil. I'll have the results later in the show. Now, this isn't your first relationship, because we know you have a child. And you have visitation, but
Yes,
it's supervised?
It's not supervised, no.
It is supervised.
We're technically.
The broadcast or cable system has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas: Bell, Coryell, Lampasas, Falls, McLennan, at 4:45 p.m. on July 16, 2020, effective until 6 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. At 4:30 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms are located 10 miles from Lampasas, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Killeen, Temple, Fort Hood, Belton, Lampasas, Florence, Rogers, Robinson, Hewitt, Lorena, Belmead, Ross, Troy, Little River Academy, Morgan's Point Resort, and Killeen Fort Hood Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 275 and 355, and all of Interstate 14. Take cover now.
No, we got married when my ex turned 18.
She was 17 when you started dating, that's correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then she got pregnant a couple months after her 18th birthday.